Okay, so this is a perimeter problem, and so perimeter has to do with a geometrical shape. So you could have a triangle, and then the perimeter would be the distance around that triangle, like you're putting a fence around the triangle. Now this is going to be a rectangle, so I would right away draw a rectangle if I were doing this problem, which I'm going to do that problem. So the perimeter for a rectangle, the perimeter is you have to have twice the width plus twice the length, because you have two widths. Usually the width is the shorter side, and you have two lengths. And I use W for width and L for length. Okay, so that's just a little review on perimeter. It says the perimeter of a rectangular outdoor patio is 54 feet. Now, since I know I'm going to be using perimeter, I'm going to go ahead and write down the formula. You see right now there are three variables: perimeter, P, width, and length. But they just told me the perimeter, it's 54. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. I don't want to give anything away. All right, it says the length is 3 feet greater than the width. So on my rectangle, if this is the width, the length is 3 feet more. That's what we have to get out of that sentence. Think about, okay, which one's longer? The length is 3 feet more than the width. So if I take the width and I add 3 feet, I get the length. Okay, so now I have things in terms of W. I have width, that's fine. And now I have this for my length. You could say length equals W plus 3 if you want. But now I'm going to substitute for the L. I'm going to put in W plus 3. Okay, that's an equation in one variable, and I can solve it. So 54 equals 2W plus 2W plus 6. That's the distributing. A lot of times, once you get the equation, they're not too bad to solve. But it is tricky to get the equation. I know it's easier when I'm doing it in the video, but that's the way those things work. Subtract 6. What do I get? 48. Divide by 4. So I'm getting the width to be 12 feet. Now, what was the question? It says, what are the dimensions of the patio? So they want to know both the width and the length. The width, 12 feet. How do I figure out the length? Well, I go back to my length equation, and I say, well, the width is 12 plus 3. Okay, the length then must be 15. So the patio is 12 feet by 15 feet. Or you could say the width is 12 and the length is 15. I'm not really sure how they want you to say it, but that's what it means.